This is my RX28 SE, and I'm just about to do the right side side damper. I want to share how I do it. I've removed the grease on the top shock, side damper, the front shocks, every at least around 2,000 laps, about 2 weeks, 4 days. I think around 4 days, yeah. It's easy. I don't spend too much time on it. I don't even need tools. It gets pretty dirty. This is around 2,000 laps on RCP track. That. And just wipe it with a paper towel. Just want to make sure I remove all the old grease. I used the Kyosho 30,000, the blue one, and that's done. Toothpick, and I put it in a syringe, the grease. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay. Let's put some on the tip up to the second line, really. I don't really put too much because it starts to come out all over the damper and it gets really messy. You don't need to put a lot. Then you slide this in. I kind of like to rotate it. See, it's not coming out anywhere, not even in the hole. But see, it's enough. There's grease in there too. Okay. And then put this back in. Remember this orientation and how you would put this. The round off side goes up, and the square edge, the sharp edge, goes in the ball like this. Round side, square side. Just push it in. Same goes with this side. If you put too much, it's okay, but it's just gonna start coming out of there or here. Here I wipe it off right away. If it's coming out here, just remove a little bit of it, not all of it. So that's how I put the grease in the shock.